Teacher Brian, English class, yay! Hello student, Teacher Brian, B-R-I-A-N. Today's lesson, the alphabet, ABCDEFG. Okay, you know the alphabet, but you sound terrible. Teacher Brian, ABCDEFG. Student, ABCDEFG. No. Today, I'm going to show you the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I will show you the picture of the letter. I will tell you the name of the letter A, and then tell you the sound. A. Are you ready? A. 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 Apple. Always. Teacher Brian always attacks Apple.
What?
The letter A. B. 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 Big. Bites. Teacher Brian takes big bites of butter.
What?
Oh my gosh. Okay. The letter B. Bring. C. 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 Cuts. Carrots. Teacher Brian cuts the apple with the carrot.
What?
Teacher Brian cuts the apple with the carrot. Very good, Teacher Brian.
I can.
That's good. Good.
C. D. D. Dance. Ducks. Teacher Brian does a dance. Like a duck. Letter D. E. 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 Eggs. Elephants. Teacher Brian cooks an egg. Teacher Brian draws an elephant.
Look at that elephant. That is so good. That is excellent. An excellent elephant. Oh!
The letter E. F. 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 Falls. Teacher Brian falls asleep. Teacher Brian falls into the pool.
What? God dang it!
What the heck, guys? Bring. The letter F. Last one. The letter G. G. Grow. Grow. Great. Teacher Brian grows a beard. You're doing a great job, student. 5 stars. Bring. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B,
A, B, C, D, A, B,
C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, E, F, G, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Apple, banana, carrot, date, eggplant, figs, grapes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alpaca, bear, cat, dog, elephant, frog, giraffe. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. How fast can you say it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You will get faster when you say D-E, 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 A, B, C, D-E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, student, good job. Good job. Now, what words start with the letters H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P? That will be our next lesson. So comment below with words that start with one of those letters. Yay! Class is finished. Good job. English with Teacher Brian.